In this video, we are going to learn how to form statements using algebraic expression from situation that has been written or given in ordinary language. So look at this first one. We have this situation which is written in English, and that is Sam has 10 more marbles than Mike. Now if you have to write a statement using algebraic expression, what according to you will be the first step? Of course, since we are dealing with algebraic expression, we will require variables. So in this case, Sam has 10 more marbles than Mike. So my first step will be to choose a variable. So if we say that x, this variable x represents marbles that Mike has. Okay, x represents marbles that Mike has, or in other words we can say that x is the number of marbles that Mike has. So the next step will be the formation of a statement using algebraic expression. So we will say that from here Sam has 10 more marbles than Mike. We will say that the statement will be Sam has x plus 10 marbles. X plus 10 marbles. Why? Because x represents marbles that Mike has. Therefore, Sam will have 10 more marbles than Mike. So Sam has x plus 10 marbles. This will be a statement using algebraic expression. Now look at this one. It is Sam is 3 years younger than Mike. Sam is 3 years younger than Mike. So if our first step is to choose a variable, and if we choose like a, this is variable a is the age of Mike. If a is the age of Mike, the second step will be the formation of statement using algebraic expressions. So if Mike's age is a, then the statement will be Sam's age is a minus 3. Why a minus 3? Because if Mike's age is a, then Sam's age will be a minus 3, because Sam is 3 years younger than Mike. In this statement, in this situation, we have Sam is twice as old as Mike. Sam is twice as old as Mike. So if a variable that we choose is, let's say y is the age of Mike. If y represents the age of Mike, then Sam is twice as old as Mike. Therefore, Sam's age is 2y. Why 2? Because it is twice as old as Mike. So twice means 2 times. So 2 times y will be the age of Sam's age. In this one we have Sam's father's age is 2 years more than 3 times Sam's age. Sam's father's age is 2 years more than 3 times Sam's age. If the first step is, if we suppose that, let's say if this variable m is the age of Sam. If variable m, where we are choosing here variable, so m is the age of Sam, therefore the second step is the formation of statement using algebraic expression. In this case, Sam's father's age is 2 years more than 3 times, focus on this one, 3 times Sam's age. What will be the 3 times Sam's age? The 3 times means thrice, right? So 3m, right? And it is 2 years more than 3. I should write it here. It is 3m because it is saying 3 times Sam's age. So 3 times Sam's age is 3m, and it is 2 years more than 3 times Sam's age. So this is 3m plus 2. 3m plus 2 is Sam's father's age. So this is a complete statement, and here we have used algebraic expression. Here, how old will Sam be 5 years from now? How old will Sam be 5 years from now? So the first step is always that we choose a variable. So if we suppose that, if we take that, if L, this variable L is the age, is the current age, of L is the current age of Sam. So now we have to tell what? We have to make a statement having algebraic expression which will tell us what will be the Sam's age after 5 years from now. So if the current age is L, then after 5 years, or let's say 5 years from now, 5 years from now, Sam's age will be, current age is L, therefore Sam's age will be L plus 5. In this one, how old was Mike 4 years ago? How old was Mike 4 years ago? So the first step is always choosing variable. If we suppose that, let's say Z is the current age of Mike. We are supposing Z as the variable is the current age of Mike. The second step will be formation of statement. So the statement will be, if Z is the current age of Mike, then what will be Mike's age 4 years ago? So 4 years ago, Mike's age was Z minus 4, right? Because we are talking about 4 years ago. Here we have price of wheat per kg is ₹5 less than price of rice per kg. The wheat's price per kg is 5 less than price of rice per kg. So if we take let's say what we can take, if we take B, we can take any variable, okay? It's not necessary that we have to choose some particular variable. if B is the price of if B is the price of rice per kg. B is the price of rice per kg. The second statement will be if per kg price of rice is B, then price of wheat should be 5 less than, right? 5 less than this one. So price of wheat per kg will be B will be, let's take unit, will be rupees B minus 5, since this is 5 less than the price of rice per kg. Here we have price of oil per liter. Per liter is 5 times the price of rice per kg. So if we suppose that, let's take let's say that N is the price of rice per kg. So if N is the price of rice per kg, then price of oil per liter is 5 times. So price of oil per liter is 5 times N, that is 5N, that's given here. N is the price of rice per kg, and it is saying it should be 5 times the price of rice per kg. Here, the speed of a bus is 10 km per hour more than, speed of a bus is 10 km per hour, this is the speed, more than the speed of a truck going on the same road. So the first one is always that we'll choose variable. So if we suppose that the variable is, let's say, v, small v, v is v kilometer per hour. V is a variable, right? I'm just mentioning the unit here. V kilometer per hour is the speed of the truck. In that case, the speed of the bus should be 10 km per hour more than this speed. Therefore, the speed of the bus is v plus 10 km per hour. This will be the speed of the bus, since it is 10 km per hour more than the speed of a truck going on the same road.